Hello everybody, my name is Ishan. In today's video I have brought this idiot named Parth. He's my younger brother in arms,
but lately we have been sleeping over at each other's house, so basically a brother.
All younger brothers are dummies. So okay, today we are presenting you this slime kit,
which I had given to him as my return gift.
See what I mean? Okay.
No,
what
really.
we are gonna do is unbox this box and
show you the ingredients.
Yeah, we are gonna turn into the Albert Einsteins of 2020 and makes. Guess what? Any wild guesses? We are gonna make slime. Let's go on. Proof that Parth is a nutcase. Okay, lesser people go first. So Parth is the one who's gonna tear off the wrapping of this slime lab kit. What the hell is going on here? Alright, Parth may have gone through the crust, but only superheroes get to go through the mantle and reach the core. And 3, 2, 1. Some help, please.
Yeah, you really need some. Oh.
Okay then.
Okay, yeah.
This is where the treasure lies. Other than this.
These are the things, all the ingredients, each and every tool we require to make the slime. Here we have a beaker. Then we have a little small bowls. Same over here. We have this in which there is a, I just forgot what that is called, but you can see this thing.
Yeah. At least I'm not the only one who's had an epic failure.
There is paint, there is candy sticks, and there is the slime glue. And the last ingredient is the slime activator. Without the activator, you cannot make slime.
But now you might have figured out that Parth can't be the only one with some valuable contribution. He forgot something else we need. The instruction manual, another ingredient.
That's not even an ingredient, it's
Same
an
thing.
instruction manual.
Same thing. Now what I'm about to point out is not make your own fantastic yucky slime. I wish to say that there are...
read the instructions.
No, I'm not going to bore my viewers to death. So here's what I'm gonna point out. There are two kinds of slime we can make. Plain slime, or should I say clear slime, and colored slime. They are basically the same thing. The only difference is in colored slime we add paint. So what we are gonna make is colored slime. Cause why go for the silver when you can have the gold at your feet? Right guys, the scientists of the century
Are ready to go!
I think we should do it later.
I agree with you, man. We should do it later. Well, now that we've got our brains back in place after recovering,
Let's go.
we have to pour 100 ml water in this beaker. Exactly 100 ml. We need to microwave the 100 ml water for 30 seconds.
So far, I'm handing over the water business to Parth only because I'm more than a bit bad with butterfingers, so.
And add the water.
Which makes no sense.
We have to pour from the beaker the water into the mixing bowl. Then add a small spoon of slime activator or borax powder in this.
Now what we gotta do is stir this borax water and then stir it.
A little more time.
Okay. When should I stop?
When I say so.
Fine then. This is gonna get done till tomorrow.
Just a tiny bit more. Now we have to add 10 ml of the glue into this beaker and then add 20 ml of water. The total solution is 30 ml.
Now what we gotta do is pour this glue water inside this cup. What are we gonna do now?
You gotta stir it.
After the process is done with, what we gotta do is just let this be and wait for 30 minutes. 25 minutes would do, but 30 minutes is better for a safe estimate. 30 minutes have already elapsed. Now what we need to do is add the color to this basically prepared glue water. Like I said, we are gonna prepare colored slime and we can make it in multiple different colors. Here our options are peach, orange and pink. But according to Parth, the peach slime will be kinda dull and pink is fine, but it will be a tad bit girlish, so we are gonna go with bright orange.
Yeah.
What we need to do is keep stirring the glue water while our partner pours the color into it. I am the stirring guy as usual.
We have to add this.
You can clearly see the rich change that has occurred.
You have to keep on adding more paint, more and stir it a lot.
You can see the orange in the water is gonna get richer and richer. It is getting richer and richer. Going from a faint drab orange to a bright mixture. Talk about anticlimactic. Here is the turnout of our stirring. It's as bright as Pollux.
As what?
Pollux is just an orange giant star.
Now we have to add the borax solution in the glue solution in which we have put the orange paint.
Using this dropper.
Add very little at a time. Keep stirring while adding.
This is similar to how you add acid to a water solution. If you do it all at once, the results might be explosive, especially if you add water to acid. Something, by the way, I'm gonna give you a warning. You should never do it during any chemical experiment.
Okay, keep stirring.
Okay then.
It is working amazingly.
Yeah, it is. Little bro. The slime got thicker and thicker and bigger. We have ended up adding it to another bowl due to the amount of water it was getting filled up with. What Parth's gonna do now is add a little more borax to it, because ours still kinda liquid. We need a semi-solid final solution.
We are also adding a little normal borax powder to it.
And a little glue.
A lot more in fact. I'll tell you when to stop. A little more. More.
So here's our final result, guys. After you are done with playing with this thing, with this amazing thing, please put it in a box with a lid on it, or the slime will get all over the place and stick everywhere, and you sure won't like that, and your parents would even less.
It can happen like this.
So, I would like you to try this someday. What do you think? Following our instructions. Quick final announcement, guys. My channel is not the only one on which I'm gonna ask you to like,
Share
subscribe,
and comment.
Parth is starting a new channel known as The Young Chef. He's gonna upload some fine content, guys, so I request you to subscribe to him as well.
You will require to subscribe to my channel as you will require some medicine after subscribing to the channel.
Well,